Naghahanap ka ba ng trabaho na may work from home setup at flexible schedule? Check out this video and I'll share with you the step-by-step guide on how to apply to this company na nag-offer ng flexible schedule, work from home setup, at green flag clients. The company name is called VAME Philippines, so go to Google and type VAME for VAME. Click this first link and you'll see here their website. Sa bandang baba, makikita natin yung kanilang mga services na ina-offer sa kanilang mga clients. So, nag-offer sila ng customer support, admin task, bookkeeping, and finance. If we check out further, bukod doon, nag-offer din sila ng social media management, content creation and marketing, e-commerce support, project management, research, technical support, at iba pa. So, it would be good to check out these services para alam natin saan pala kayo pwedeng mag-apply. So, ano palang mga positions ang pwede nyong mapasukan dito sa kumpanyang ito. Now that we have checked this out, alamin na natin kung paano mag-apply. So, first, you have to go to their TikTok account. So, their TikTok account is tiktok.com/@VAME Philippines. Inuulit po nila, wala po silang Telegram account. So, ang kanilang account ay this one. So, to apply, click Linktree, their Linktree account. And you'll see here, how to apply, click here. Choose natin to. And you'll be redirected sa kanilang Google form. Ang gagawin lang natin is i-answeran natin or sasagutin natin yung kanilang form truthfully. Okay? So, full name. Have you ever been interviewed by VAME before? If yes, please provide the name of the hiring manager. Kung kayo ay nakapag-apply na at na-interview na sa company na ito in the past, lagay nyo dito yung name ng hiring manager na nag-interview sa inyo. If not yet, you can just say not yet or NA. Make sure na tama yung inyong email address kasi dito nila kayo kakontakin. Type in your Skype ID. This is required. So, kung wala pa kayong Skype ID, you just have to click Skype. And then, let's click this first link. Okay, open natin yung Skype in browser. Okay, and since wala pa kayong Skype account, click create one. So, all you have to do is create your own email address, add your password, and after nyo makapag-create, makikita nyo doon yung inyong Skype ID or you can set up your own Skype ID. So, once na meron na kayo doon, add nyo dito. Phone number, make sure na tama. Highest educational attainment, kung kayo ba high school grad, senior high school grad, college undergrad, or bachelor's degree graduate. Or kung kayo ay may higher education pa, like master's degree, pwede nyo rin ilagay dito. Next is your virtual assistants. Kung kayo ay newbie, lagay nyo dito, click nyo tong none. Kung kayo ay may virtual assistants experience na, lagay nyo dito kung ilang months. Tapos, dito, sagutin natin yung, can you tell me more about your VA experience? Dito sa part na to, kung ako yung mag-a-apply, I will use this question as an opportunity to explain on how I was able to help my clients in the past. Ano ba yung natulong ko sa kanila? Ano ba yung mga projects na na-handle ko as a VA? Ano ba yung mga tasks na ginawa ko dun sa previous clients ko? Paano ako nakatulong sa kanila? Pwede mo ring ilagay dito yung mga tools na ginamit mo. So, ibig sabihin, alam mo nang gamitin tong mga tools na to na pwedeng makatulong din dun sa iba nilang mga clients. So, yun, pabibo mode tayo dito. At syempre, yung honest lang kung ano yung nagawa mo in the past. At syempre, dito sa which position are you interested in, balik tayo dun sa kanilang services page. Alin ba dito sa mga position na to yung gusto mong applyan? Social media management ba? Technical support, project management, so pili ka dyan. And once you're done, double check, palagi sinasabi yon na i-check natin lahat, make sure na tama and accurate yung mga information na nilagay natin, and then hit submit. At syempre, as a part of support dito sa company na ating ina-applyan, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to their other social media pages. Inuulit po natin, wala po silang Telegram account. Okay? So, yun lang for today. Let me know if you have any questions related to this company. And ano pa yung gusto nyo work from home opportunities na explore natin next. Yun lang for today. Happy job hunting!